Welcome to the exciting world of binary options trading. This strategy is all about predicting the rise or fall of an asset price within a specific time frame. Let's delve into the basics. Binary options are a simple yes or no proposition. Either you believe the price of an asset will go up or down within a set time frame. It's that simple. Now, onto price action strategies. Remember, the historical performance of an asset influences its future price. Infographics and charts are invaluable tools to track and predict these price movements. Common pitfalls are lurking everywhere. One major mistake is investing without a well-defined strategy. Avoid this by mapping out your trades in advance, based on research and analysis. Another common mistake is letting emotions drive your decisions. Trading is a science, not a lottery. Stick to your strategy even when things seem to go against you. Losing trades can be a valuable lesson. Instead of dwelling on losses, analyze them. What went wrong? How can you improve? This mindset can turn setbacks into future successes. Expert tips can be the key to unlock success in binary options trading. Remember, patience is a virtue. Wait for the right moment to make your move. Don't rush into trades. Risk management is crucial. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk and increase your chances of overall success. Join our free mastermind group on Telegram. It's a community of like-minded traders sharing insights, strategies, and support. Together, we can conquer the binary options market. Education is a never-ending journey in trading. Stay up to date with market trends, new strategies and tools. Knowledge is power in the world of binary options trading. Ready to dive deeper? Download our comprehensive guide on binary options trading. It's packed with practical advice, advanced strategies, and insider tips for success. Remember, every successful trader was once a beginner. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. Let's embark on this journey together, mastering binary options trading one trade at a time.